Hello guys and welcome to the fresh episode of Tech Jukes. So in today's episode I'm going to review this microphone. So this is microphone from Fifine company and the model name is K690. So you can say this is a flagship microphone from this particular brand, and you might read the brand name as Fifine, but it's not Fifine, it's Fine. So most of the people do not know how to pronounce this brand, but yeah, that's what it is. And this microphone has same specification which Blue Yeti has. So if you compare Blue Yeti and this microphone, it is absolutely same. So if you're interested in purchasing a new microphone for your YouTube channel, or you're looking for a new microphone for your singing career, probably your first beginner mic, so just watch this video till the end. So now let's get started. So let me just quickly show you the unboxing for this microphone and what we get inside the box.
So this is the box that you get, and it's a very sweet box. You have some information like address and all. Let me just unbox it quickly. Let me just pull it out, and there is a user manual. We did not really need it. Okay, the box packaging is very good. You can also use this box while traveling. This is very sturdy. And let me just check this small box here again, and this adapter, I'll check it later. And this is the mic itself with the stand, and it is all metal. Here's the bottom, and the stand has a grip as well so that you don't slide while using it. Let me just unscrew this quickly so that you can see how the mic looks without the stand in case you want to use a boom arm. So now here you can see the mic without this stand. This is very good with matte finish. Okay, we get a cable inside this small box, and the cable is mini USB to USB A, which is a good thing. And the cable length is very long in case you're worried about the cable management if you want to connect it with boom arm. And this is a adapter for quarter 20 to 5/8, and you also get a screw for 3/8 to 5/8.
Okay, so as we checked what we get inside the box, now let me tell you that this microphone has multiple modes. So if you know about the Fifine brand microphones, they have a microphone which is Fifine K690. So it has absolutely the same capsule. If you have seen the quality, or if you have heard the quality of that particular microphone, the quality will remain the same, though the price difference is approximately 2000 rupees in Indian market. And to be very honest, 90 to 95% people would not use the multiple modes, but I still bought this because I saw that no Indian YouTuber has covered this particular microphone yet. So the nerd inside me was wanted to play with this microphone, because there is no particular YouTube from any Indian YouTuber. There are Western YouTubers who cover this microphone, so I just wanted to test this. The version which is with single mode cardioid microphone only is available for 56,000 rupees most of the time on Amazon. Right now it's for 6,000 rupees. The model name is K678, but this one is K690, and it has 4 modes. Apart from cardioid mode, which mostly people are using on YouTube, it has stereo mode, it has omnidirectional mode, it has bidirectional mode. So if you do not know about these modes, I'm going to talk about that later in a brief. But yeah, that's what we get with this one. So let me just quickly show you what we get on this microphone.
Microphone is made up of complete metal and has black matte finish. At the front side you can see two things: the mute button and the volume dialer for the headphone, which you have connected to the microphone. The LED light on the mute button gets green when the mute button is off. When the mute button is on, it gets red. And at the back side you can see 2 dialers. One dialer is for the microphone volume gain, and the second dialer has 4 stops, which you can use to interchange between different polar patterns. If you see at the bottom of the microphone, you can see there is a 3.5mm jack to connect your headphone in case you want to hear what the microphone is hearing right now. And there's also space to connect your standard tripod in case you do not want to connect the standard microphone boom arm. And at last, it has the USB mini port. If you see this from the side, it has that matte finish at the stand as well. The stand is also made up of complete metal.
Okay, now you have seen what we get on this microphone, and you have already seen the unboxing and what accessories we get on this one. So you might be seeing this microphone as in a little awkward position, because I do not have a pop filter or vent screen right now. I might order it in a day or two. I'll order a boom arm as well, so that I can use it without any jerks or without any sound of me typing the keyboard or hitting the table probably accidentally. So yeah, I'll order a boom arm again, and I'll review this mic again. So this is just kind of a first overview, first look, basically you can say that. Okay, now let's just quickly jump to the sound quality of this microphone. So right now you're hearing this sound from Fifine K690, and the mode is set to Cardioid, and the volume gain knob is set to approximately 10 to 20%. So this is how it sounds. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. I'm the man with the mask. How are you doing today? So first let me tell you, cardioid pattern is a pattern in which the microphone capsule is hearing only from the front of the microphone. So anything at the back of the microphone will be least sensitive. I mean, the microphone is most sensitive to the front, and very less sensitive to the sides, and least sensitive at the behind. Okay, so that it reduces all the background noises which is happening here and there. So you might not hear this very loud, but yeah, that's how it is working. I'll now switch to the bidirectional mode. So basically, bidirectional mode is used by people who are, recording an interview, probably a podcast, in which they are using only one mic. Okay, so in this one, the front of the microphone will be sensitive, and the back side of the microphone will be sensitive towards the noise or sound. I'll now switch it. Okay, now you're hearing this audio from the bidirectional mode, and even if I rotate this microphone, you'll still be able to hear me, because it is recording the sound from both the sides, from the front as well as the back of the microphone. Probably you'll be able to hear it very easily, and it will not be reducing the background noise which is coming from that side. So yeah, that's how it works. Let's just test the third one. Okay, so now this one is set to omnidirectional. In this one, this will capture sounds from everywhere. I mean, from all the sides of this microphone. So this is ideal for a scenario where you have people sitting in room in every corner or every side of this microphone, and they all want to speak, probably a group discussion going on. So that's ideal for that situation if you only have a single microphone. So that's how it sounds right now. Now let me show you the stereo mode. Okay, now the microphone is set to stereo mode. In this one, it will only capture left and right sound. So it's not about the front and back. Now it's about, it will capture two channels, left channel and the right channel. So it is again very useful. I don't know for what situation. I don't know why I bought multi mode one. But yeah, there are a few people who would require the stereo mode recording. But yeah, definitely it's not something that I would need. Most of the YouTubers, I would say 90 to 95% of the YouTubers, only using cardioid mode. Okay, now I'll stay silent for a few seconds so that you can analyze how much noise it captures. Okay, well, I can see in my monitor screen that it is not capturing anything, and I can tell you that my cabinet fans are quite loud. They are not of very good quality, and they are loud. I can hear them right now. And talking about another fan which is in my hall right now, I can hear the noise from that fan as well. But this is not recording. I can see in my monitor right now. This is not definitely not recording it. So yeah, that's a good thing. That's on cardioid mode right now. So let me just increase the gain on this microphone. Okay, so now the gain knob is set to 25%. Let's see if we hear any noise. I can see nothing. Let's turn it to 50% and see how it sounds. Okay, now I have increased the sensitivity or the gain to 50%, and let's see how it sounds. I can see in my monitor screen it is going quite high. Quite high. But even at this point, it is not capturing any sound of fan or whatever. Okay, now let's switch it to 75% then. Okay, now I have set the gain to 75%, and I can see the monitor, it is going quite high. Oh my god, and it is capturing noise as well. It is definitely capturing the fan noise, but definitely in post processing you can reduce it if you really need 75% of gain, which in idle situation most people do not use. I have not seen anybody using more than 40% in real life scenario, to be very honest. So this is how it sounds in ideal situation. Now let's turn it to 100%. So this is now 100% gain, or I can say the sensitivity is 100% for this capsule. I'm talking about cardioid mode, and I must say that it should be pretty loud because I can see the monitor screen. The waves are going really up, and it is definitely capturing some background noise as I can see the waves there. It is not blank. It is not a straight line. Okay, now again I have set the gain to 25% and you can hear my audio from this microphone right now without any post processing. After this, you will hear the audio from this microphone from Fifine K690 after post processing. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. I am Man with Mask and you're watching Tech Jukes. How are you doing today? My final verdict is that if you only use cardioid pattern, then definitely you can buy Fifine K678. No doubt that's an absolutely great microphone. It has equal sound quality of Blue Yeti, which comes around 11,000 rupees in India right now. But if you really need multiple modes like bidirectional, stereo mode, or probably the omnidirectional one, then you can definitely buy this one. Both have same audio quality and they are equivalent to Blue Yeti. If you are someone who only uses cardioid mode and who requires cardioid mode, who's probably a singer or a podcaster, or probably just wanted to start career in YouTube, want a basic microphone, you can either go with Fifine T669 or you can also go with Fifine K678. Both are absolutely good. I'll mention the link in the description box below for all the microphones which I have suggested you. So this is how it sounds. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you find this video informative, just give me a thumbs up, and you can just subscribe to my channel so that you can get the updates from my channel whenever I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care.